and we all enjoy that time. Here it goes.
Hey Jimmy, I love you, but I don't want to get married. I just want to hang out, in Chicago, like every day on Friday night.
Do you have any products you'd like to plug? Okay. Hey Jimmy, come on over. I want you to meet my friend Don. That's my new Facebook picture. All right, Jimmy, you know what to do. He's gonna sing the bridge to Dawn, and then Dawn is gonna sing the everything else with me. But first, one more time.
Hey Jimmy, pass cooler.
Damn it, Dawn! I said! Alright, it's obvious that you're the guy for her, so go ahead, Jimmy. Knock